Ooh, a botanical building. You just walk right in that? Nice.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Want to get it?
Oh my god, where's the bathroom? So you guys have made it this far, which is cool. So I just want to go over a little bit about the giveaway. You know, the Traxxas truck giveaway. So pretty much, here is the bad boy. This will be pretty much what you get. Not this, but it'll be a new truck. Yeah, so a link in the description on how to get this, the video that explains how to get it. But we are almost there at the 40,000 subscribers. Not too shabby, you know. But also I have a second channel. It's called Dose of Foozy Lube. I'm gonna change the channel name. Yeah, I kind of made it as a joke, but Christine, whoa, let me go back out in the light. So Christine is pregnant. My oldest daughter is leaving for the Army in a couple months, and we just find out that Christine has a little monkey in the oven, or bun in the oven. Anyways, so my second channel, Dose of Foozy Lube. I'll probably change the channel's name, but so let's do a tour of the house. You know, some people are interested. If you're not interested in vlogs, you can click off now, because this is pretty much going to be just a little tour of my house. And we'll start off in the garage. People always want to know what's in the garage. Yeah, that's in the garage. I wanted this car since I was a kid. Was able to do so. Let's take a look-ski inside. Yeah, it's pretty a pretty clean DeLorean. I know it's a little dark in here, but the gauge shifter, black interior, This thing is clean. I do a car show every year here in San Diego. It's a British car show, and last year we won first place. I'll dig out the trophy, show you guys sometime. But I have a fish tank with a turtle, some Jack Dempsey's. So let's go inside the house and look around. So we just got a bunch of new furniture that we're getting in, so excuse the mess. Things are kind of moving around. But here's our kitchen. It's dirty. Because we're real. We don't have a fucking maid or anything, or make it seem like we're something that we're not. So let's go check out where the magic happens. In the bedroom. In our room. We just got a new bed. And there's Benny sleeping on it. This is a cool bed though. It's a Tempur-Pedic. You have a little remote control. You can raise the feet, it vibrates, all that stuff. Got an awesome deal on it though, because Sleep Train changed their name and they're getting rid of their Tempur-Pedics or some shit. Yeah, it was like a $6,000 bed. Got it for $2,500 at the door. And just go through the hallway. This is my daughter's bathroom. It's a regular old bathroom. And this is my 10-year-old daughter, Jamie. In her bedroom. Yeah. It's a mess. So she will be cleaning it. And here's where I spend, maybe an hour or two a day. Right in here. My drum set. Daughter's keyboard. But yeah. Just a basic set. It's just a PDP set. But I just upgraded cymbals and the skins. So it actually sounds pretty good. And you gotta get the double bass. Double bass. It's awesome. And you got Outback. Got Chunk out there. Sitting on his chair. He loves that thing. We moved it from inside the house outside because he loved it so much. This used to be part of our couch. And he took it over. So we're like, you can have it. It's going outside. So yeah, so we live in maybe 20 minutes from downtown San Diego. And this is the 4th bedroom. It's going to be the baby's room, so it's kind of like storage right now. Don't really do anything with it. But soon it will have the crib and all that fun stuff. Man, I thought I was done. Ugh, my 10-year-old, she's a rough one to handle. It's kind of our living room. That TV, couch. Nosy neighbors. Who's that? Someone's looking at my door. Nah. And then here's my office. So, couch, TV, PS3 with a Genesis thing. But this is a backwards, this is the first PS3. It's a launch edition. Backwards compatible, all that stuff. And we got the boys. That bark collar, it's like, I don't even think it works. But he knows when he wears it not to bark. This is Hunter and Chunk. Hunter and Chunk. If I didn't keep them outside during the day, they would just sit in on the couch and do nothing. Yes, you would. And here's my office. So This is my setup. PS4, my desktop, printer. My other printers are out in the garage. I just haven't moved them in here because I moved my office inside. And just storage for Sharter stuff. So I got the Sharters all done for the day. This is yesterday from like 4 o'clock to today worth of Sharters. Yeah, I mean seriously guys, I can't thank you enough for the support on the Sharter and the Sharter.com. I'll continue to do the videos. There's other people doing Sharter videos that definitely helps. The ones in the bags, there's actually boxes in the bags. Those are international. Just a little extra protection for the long trip. And I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, but this Thursday I have an audition on Shark Tank. So maybe you will see this on TV. Well, not this video, but you'll see me and the Sharter on Shark Tank. If everything goes right with the audition. I will see you for the next Sharter video. Or original prank. Just give me comments. Tell me what you want. I know you guys want to see the Sharter videos. But, you know, I want to go back to doing original pranks. Man. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Why is he filming us?
I don't know.
She better not be pregnant.
That's what I just said.
You fart!
So my ship date is moving back. A few months.
Like 9. Get out of here. She pregnant. Jordan, you being filmed. Go ahead, sweetie. Go ahead, sweetie.
So I just wanted to show you guys that I'm gonna be with you guys this summer instead. What is that?
These are testers.
Yo, knocked up, girl!
I thought we all talked about how not to get pregnant.
But then she enlisted.
It's not your advisor, is it? Because they were kind of close, you know.
Right? Going on camping trips.
So who to baby daddy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she doesn't know.
You know, just because there's a question doesn't mean it's not gonna tell you the data is the more you use.
Yeah. It's not the one you dumped, is it? But then again, that'd be probably better than one that she just met.
That's funny.
Well, who is
I'm
it?
waiting. What are you waiting for?
For you to tell us who the daddy is.
It's Dan.
Okay, that'd be weird.
It's Dan. Dan's the dad.
Dan is the one
Are
she
you
dumped,
pregnant?
right?
I'm pregnant.
Huh?
And
Are you
I'm
really?
pregnant.
No, kid, no.
Yes.
Get out of here! You guys are buttheads.
I know.
You really are.
Yes.
This
Wait,
is
wait,
really
wait, that's me.
No.
Are you for
You
real?
lied.
You're like, thank you.
Congratulations.
Are you for real?
Yes.
I just want
Man, I was
to
gonna say like mother like daughter.
Oh, daddy.
I'm like shaking him with over here. My heart's like pounding. I felt so bad for her. Dan made him do it.
Way cooler.
I
you're
was
not
talking
knocked
low.
up. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I was looking at Logan the whole time, and he's just like,
Oh, was she gonna cry?
yes. And then he like when
Yeah,
she
you
was
can blame
talking
him
about
for
it.
Nobody had it in for him.
That made me
Nobody
sweat.
had it in for him.
Nope, no one had it in for him.
Jordan, we didn't have a talk
I know
though.
what we could toilet seat or something.
If we were that next
Didn't get it
year.
off a toilet.
I'm gonna be a big sister.
And then when Christine started saying it, Logan like turned around. He's like, oh. He went on the thing. He was like, oh god. He looked really upset, like really disappointed. I kept looking at him. I was like, oh my god, my heart. I couldn't even look at him. I couldn't.
She was like, as soon as she heard his truck, she looked at us and was like, I can't do it. The look of disappointment that he's gonna give me, I can't do it. That's what we were talking about. We're like, Jordan, you can do it. Come on.
Well, let me
Like,
tell you
I
something.
couldn't.
Not that this gives you any leeway to do anything, but the look of disappointment really isn't a look of disappointment. It's kind of shock, and it's kind of like, oh my gosh.
It's disappointment.
Well, it's like, oh my gosh, she just messed up her life.
Right? She
Plans.
just turned 18.
Yeah. So, and besides, it's never disappointing because we love you.
Right.
You always just said that because you realized.
Yes, you did.
I